Hey there, it's Guarda, and today we're going to show you how you can receive tokens across Tron network. As soon as you have created your Guarda wallet, Tron wallet will be created automatically, and then you can immediately receive Tron tokens. All you need to know is your Tron wallet address. As an example, here's two different Tron wallets. One has Wink tokens, the other does not. So, I'm going to send tokens from one wallet to another. I'll do this by going to the Send tab of Guarda Wallet, choosing the Wink token, and then press to my wallet and choose my second Tron wallet. Then I'm going to choose the amount that I wish to send. I'll check that everything is correct and press Next. Here I can review the details of my transaction, check everything is correct, and then press Confirm. And that's it. Transaction is successfully sent. Now all I need to do is wait. After some time, my Wink tokens will be received, and token wallet for them will be automatically created. That can work with any Tron-based token. As soon as you will receive some Tron-based tokens on your Tron wallet, the wallet for tokens will be automatically created. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments under this video. Guarda Wallet wishes you a safe crypto journey.